Good evening, everybody. The Daily Trader. It is November 4th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Tesla is having a good day also today. We closed at $16.05. 1.32%. We closed at $12.2991. Post market, we are down just $2.62. So let's look at what we have on the chart. Yesterday, we had the nice green candle. Let me just adjust this a little bit. This is ugly. So yesterday, we had a nice green candle with the buying pressure at the bottom here, and we touched the first resistance of our third channel. Let me do it like this. The first resistance, this is the first resistance right here, and this is the second resistance right here. And yes, you like numbers. So the first resistance, I would say, is 1227.90. And the second resistance is now 1230.89, because these are diagonal support and trend lines and resistance lines. Their number changes every single day. This is why we need a chart. So we have a red candle, a little bit of a bigger wick at the bottom than at the top, reddish candle, but buying pressure in terms of the wick. And we sat right smack on our resistance right here, the second resistance. I will transform that as support because that's what it is now. I cannot make this up. We just sat right on that resistance. So this is, again, proving that our lines are good when the stock is using those lines to pause. So let's go into the 1 hour chart. The first candle of the day here. So we had a gap here. So we had a gap, boom. First hour of the day, we crossed the resistance, now support. But we had, this is a weird candle, the very small body candle. Then selling pressure, buying pressure. Then we closed back above, but with the red candle. And we are just playing with that resistance. Look at this. And the stock is just being very stable. People are not knowing exactly what to do, but at least we gapped up. So this is nice. I can remove this thing here. Tempted to try to trace this horizontal line. Look at how perfect it is. Yeah. So this resistance line was touched here November 1st, was touched right here November 2nd, perfectly touched also November 3rd, and then was crossed yesterday towards the end of the day. And today we just closed above this and we gapped up during the first hour. And now we are very stable, right smack on the other resistance right here. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators. So stochastic at 97, that's great. We have RSI at 87. So RSI has taken a step back here. So RSI was following approximately what was happening here with the bar chart since November 1st. And now with this higher candle, now the RSI is showing some weakness here. So are we going to come down? That's a very good question. Let's look at MACD. Let's look at DMI. DMI is flattening a little bit also. It's flattening here. MACD is still increasing. This is a higher move, but it's not like it's a green candle. Right? It's still a positive move because it went higher. I don't know what to make of this one. Tell me in the comment section below what do you think this is going to be like? What is this going to do? Let's investigate a little bit more. So we had this channel, this first channel that was increasing. The stock was making higher lows at this pace here. And then we transformed that into a second speed or a second slope that was steeper. And then we started a third slope. And right now, basically, we almost have a fourth slope. For slope like this cannot last a long time, but basically this is a fourth slope. Yes, and attempted to do it like this. So we are still climbing super high, super fast. This is very interesting to see the stock guide. Let's just read this and see where it takes us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.